How to fix Windows laptop battery drains after shutdown. 1. Disable hibernate mode. Here are the steps to disable hibernate mode in Windows. 1. Open the command prompt as administrator. To do this, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, right-click on it, and select Run as administrator. 2. Type in the command power gauge off and hit enter. This will disable hibernate mode. 3. To confirm that hibernate mode is disabled, type in power gauge and hit enter. This displays all the current power settings. 4. Under hibernate it should now say hibernate, S4, disabled. 5. You can also disable hibernate through the GUI by going to control panel power options, choose what the power buttons do. 6. Click on change settings that are currently unavailable. 7. Uncheck the hibernate box under shutdown settings. 8. Click Save Changes. Hibernate mode is now disabled in Windows. The computer will no longer hibernate when you put it to sleep or shut it down. Instead, it will fully power off. 2. Turn off fast startup. 3. Disable USB power off charging. 4. Change the Intel Management Engine interface properties, disable allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. 5. Run battery health check.